Hi, in front of me is OnePlus Nord N100 and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard theme on this device. Start by opening Settings. Now scroll all the way down and choose System. Then Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and keyboard that you're using, in my case Gboard. Go into Theme and tap on the plus sign under My Themes. Over here you can pick a photo, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then click Next. Adjust brightness and tap Done. Lastly, click on the switcher next to keyboarders to enable or disable them. When you're done, click Apply. Now when I go back, I can see that my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!